It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 19th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather noticeably cooler today. Even colder air settles in here for the weekend, but we warm up next week. Of course, the question is, what about Christmas Day? Take a look at things this morning. This is the upper air look and a new trough becoming established over the eastern states. That's the reason it's cooler today. Nothing on radar. We're going to be dry through at least Monday of next week. And what you see up north, that's all snow falling in parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. Temperatures are in the 40s over North Alabama early this morning. The cool spot there is Haleyville. They've got 41. We have 50s for South Alabama. Highs today will be in the 50s for the northern half of the state. Low 60s for South Alabama. Here's the watch warning map today. Winter storm warnings in effect up north for parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin. And a lot of fog down across the Florida Peninsula. Look at here. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country today, tomorrow, or Saturday. 3 days in a row. No thunder. Very quiet pattern. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Valid through Thursday morning of next week. Just not much. And again, we will mention some chance of light rain on Christmas Day, Wednesday of next week, but obviously no big rain event. Rain amounts will likely be under 1/4 of an inch for much of the state over the next 7 days. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 3. You see the short wave up north. That's producing the snow for the northern plains and the upper Midwest. But down here, morning clouds giving way to a sunny afternoon. Again, 50s for North Alabama, 60s to the south. Same thing tomorrow, lows in the 30s, highs should be in the 50s statewide. Saturday morning, we should be below freezing over about the northern half of the state. And the high Saturday will be in the 40s for the northern counties. The sky will be sunny. And Sunday morning, a freeze all the way into South Alabama to start the day. Lows in the 20s. The high Sunday, low 50s in most spots. Monday, we are still dry with highs in the 50s. Tuesday, Christmas Eve. At this point, that looks dry with rain again to the north and west. Highs will be in the 50s. And then Christmas Day, Wednesday of next week. The GFS depicting maybe a little light rain over southwest Alabama. The European on Christmas Day, kind of the same idea, maybe some light rain for the western counties of the state. So, and again, we'll see the models, flipping and flopping like a fish out of water. For something that's 6 days in advance, but we will mention some chance of light rain on Christmas Day, but certainly not raining all day, nothing too heavy, and no chance of any severe storms. And the high will be around 60 for the northern counties of the state, low to mid-60s for South Alabama. The average high for Christmas Day here is mid-50s, so a little above average. This is a week from today, Thursday, December 26th. Got a pretty good-looking short wave off to the west, and that's going to push a batch of showers in here, maybe some thunder, but again, not really a severe weather look. But let's go out 10 days. That's kind of a severe weather look. Now, understand, this is 10 days out, so this will probably change many, many times between now and then. This is valid for Saturday, December 28th, the weekend before New Year's. Negative tilt trough to the west, a deep surface low near Memphis, and that would be wet and stormy if this happens to verify for that pre-New Year's weekend. But again, just understand this will change many times. Look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean about 1.5 inches between now and the 2nd of January. And it's the roller coaster. This is the NBM for Birmingham. Of course, your temperatures could be a bit different, but mid-50s today, mid-40s on Saturday. Lows over the weekend down in the 20s. The coldest morning Sunday morning with mid-20s. But then we bounce back by Wednesday of next week. Christmas, the high will be around 60 and then mid-60s for the end of next week. And the latest long-range guidance, December 26th through January 1st, 2025. Ooh, look at all the red, an ocean of red. Temperatures above average across the contiguous U.S. All the cold air is flushed out for the end of the year. Had a few CLCs yesterday, creepy-looking clouds, but the bark, much worse than the bite. These were just basically rain showers, a bit of thunder, kind of gusty winds across the state. No severe weather issues. And the better rains yesterday were up across the Tennessee Valley. And it's expected those showers fizzled as they move southward. But hey, after the showers, we had some pretty good rainbows in the December sky across Alabama yesterday. Had a pretty decent sunset for some. I know that place. That would be Peach Park down in Clanton. And a good-looking sunset there on the Gulf Coast last night. Hey, the last school program of the year today. Wow. Going to go down to Perry County, Marion Breakthrough Charter School. One of my favorite stops on the tour every year. Those kids are good down there. Teachers are great. That's a great school. Looking forward to that. And that'll be a wrap. I'll be off next week. And then tomorrow morning, we have a Weather Brains Friday morning special. We're recording next week's show tomorrow morning. That'll be at 9:30 Central, youtube.com/weatherbrains if you'd like to watch. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.